Now let's go over how to change the cryptocurrency you're viewing on Dexscreener. On Dexscreener, there isn't a single setting that changes all prices to one currency. Instead, prices are shown based on trading pairs, like a token paired with ETH, SOL, or a stablecoin, such as USDC.to start. Choose the blockchain you want to browse. Dexscreener pulls data from multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and BNB chain. You can select a specific chain from the main menu to narrow things down. Next, use the search bar at the top of the page. You can search by token name, symbol, or even the contract address. When the results show up, you'll see different trading pairs for that token across various blockchains and exchanges. You can also discover tokens by browsing the new pairs or trending sections in the left-hand menu. From there, you can apply filters like liquidity, volume, or token age to find what you're looking for. That if you want to see a token priced in a different cryptocurrency, you'll need to select a different trading pair. For example, if you're viewing a token price in USDC but want to see it in ETH, look for the version of that token paired with ETH, like XYZ/ETH, instead of XYZ/USDC. Once you select that pair, the chart and price will update automatically. And that's how you switch between different cryptocurrencies on Dexscreener.